Stay organized and ready for anything. Hi, my name is Frankie, and today we're checking out the 6-in-1 desk kit. This compact kit keeps all your everyday essentials in one convenient place. Inside, you'll find 40 ball tip push pins, 14 binder clips in 1/2 inch, 9 binder clips in 3/4 inch, 80 paper clips in 1 inch, 27 paper clips in 2 inches, and 23 rubber bands, all neatly stored inside a durable plastic case. The 2-piece case features a push-on lid and a divided main compartment with 6 segments to keep everything organized. Your logo appears with a 1-color imprint centered on the top lid. Keep your workspace neat and your brand top of mind with the 6-in-1 desk kit from 4imprint. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more from 4imprint, please check out our recent uploads, related videos, and our website, 4imprint.ca.